Hello dear friends and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. The inspiration for today's project came from the Alex from the Paracord 7. So go ahead and check the Alex on the Instagram, he has the awesome project also. For today's project we're gonna use the sky blue and gray paracord. The dimension or the length of the paracord are down into the description of this video, description box down below, and if you want to learn how to create this 4-strand with the 2 working ends paracord bracelet core or a base, you can do so by checking the information box or the cards in the top right corner of this video. Also there you can find this awesome paracord bracelet tutorial, how to do this amazing bracelet. So that being said, let's continue today's project called the Hidden Sanctified. So let's start. We're gonna take first the gray paracord and we're gonna insert from the top into the middle, so in the gap between second and the third paracord, and to the back, and with the right strand cord also in the middle and to the back. So our cords are crossing into the center of the bracelet core or bracelet base. Now we're gonna take the sky blue from the right side and we're gonna insert it from the back side into the gap between first and the second cord from the right, like so. So from the back side, then around and through the loop on the right side here. On the left we're gonna do the same, so from the back side between the first and the second cord from the left, through and then to the loop on the left. Very fast, very simple, yet very beautiful paracord bracelet. Now we're gonna tighten it and we're gonna continue with the weaves. So from the top into the middle, to the side, and again from the top to the middle and to the side. Now from the back, between first and the second cord from the right side, and to the loop on the right. On the left also in the gap between first and the second cord, and from the top through the loop on the left side. Pull it, cinch it, and continue. So we reached the end of today's project. We finished this awesome paracord bracelet, very fast, very easy, and yet very unique and neat paracord design. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Also hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. On the end we will cut off this excess of cord, melt it down, and finish the bracelet. As always, on the end, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.